Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your trusted channel for the daily job updates, career insights, and in-depth tutorial for tech, analytics, and many more. So, in today's video, I'm bringing you a fantastic opportunity from Optum, which is a part of the globally renowned United Health Group. So, they are currently hiring for the role of data analyst for their Hyderabad office. And if you have around 4 years of experience in healthcare analytics, then this could be a break you have been waiting for. So we'll go through the job description, responsibilities, skills requirement, and along with that, we'll also be discussing the key highlights that you can put in your resume so that your chances of getting shortlisted will increase. So, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new here, because we are bringing three important hiring, especially on this particular YouTube channel, and turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once we upload a new video. So now let's dive into the job details. As you can see, the job is of a data analyst, and it's a hybrid opportunity based out of Hyderabad, Telangana, and the job categories under business and data analytics. So there are two types of application: internal job employee and all. If you're employee of the company, you can apply through this, or else you can just click over here and apply. So this was all about this hiring. But before that, let's yes. Then now let's directly jump to the responsibility sections that they have mentioned over here. So yeah, you can see they have mentioned all the responsibilities that you can see. So basically, as a data analyst at Optum, which is a part of United Health Group, you will be involved into creating analytical insights to support market growth, consumer experience, service line operations, marketing initiatives, analyzing the internet healthcare, financial and demographic data, present actionable insights to stakeholders, and documenting all processes across the entire analytical life cycle, plus training and guiding leadership for adapting analytical across domains. You'll also be involved into collaborating with platform teams for scalable data alignment and act as a subject matter expert in areas like hospital business, finance, marketing, and or consumer behavior. So, and you'll also be involved into rationalizing the strategic analytical portfolio for business decisions and integrating insights into various functions such as physician network planning, population health, value-based core, strategic finance, etc. So, skills and experience required for this role is going to be something like education in as I mentioned over here, you can see. So you must be education undergraduate with experience of 4 years of healthcare domain, especially analytic experience, plus 3 years experience for anyone in financial modeling and issue analysis, 3 years plus in financial modeling and managing analytics projects with minimal supervision. So you must have the experience, 3 years experience working on project and managing projects. So technical skills required are Microsoft Excel, strong skills in PowerPoint or other presentation skill with a good proficiency in SQL or SAS. Hands-on experience with BI dashboard tools like Power BI, Tableau, or QuickView. Soft skills they have mentioned is that you must have the excellent communication, problem-solving skill with strong collaboration skills as well. So let's understand a little bit about the Optum company. So Optum is basically a part of United Health Group, which is one of the largest health service organization in the world. The mission is clear to make the healthcare system work better for everyone. And at Optum, you will be working with innovative minds, massive data sets, and global team to solve complex healthcare challenges that truly impact lives. So why wants to join Optum? So you will be getting cutting edge healthcare analytics projects plus high performance purpose driven teams working that matters on a global scale. So as they say, do your life best work SM at Optum. So it's how Optum the life is at Optum is. So if you have been working in healthcare or analytics space and want to level up your career with a global leader like Optum, then this data analyst role at Optum Hyderabad's location is a golden opportunity for you. So don't wait. I have mentioned a direct link for applications in the description. So do check it out and apply as soon as possible, because the sooner the better. And pro tip I would like to give for this particular role is that try to tailor your resume to highlight the healthcare projects like SQL, BI, Power BI dashboard, some dashboard related thing, like for example, healthcare dashboard, some particular disease analyzing with the help of dashboards. You can just create something let's say you're working on a kind of blood cancer disease or something like that. So try to create a dashboard and add that projects in your portfolio, because chances will increase. And yes, you can also try to add some financial modeling experience especially the project that you have worked on financial modeling. So try to add all those stuff into your profile because it increases the chances. And if you need any help in preparing for resume or want mock interview, just put a comment. We'll be more than happy to help you. And if someone of you are fresher watching this video and want to learn data analytics for free, then you can just head to our other channel, which is First Take. The link for same link is in description for the same. And subscribe to that channel if you want to learn data analytics for free with 20 plus hands-on projects. And yeah, this was all about that. And if you found this video helpful and job alert useful, then like this video, like, because in this way you can support our channel. And drop a comment if you want any help, or even if you are applying, this will help the algorithm reach to the job seekers easily. And you also comment if you want us to cover more analytics related video or software engineering or whatever you want us to. You can just put them in the comment. We can share other videos also if you want some particular related videos like non-tech or tech. Then you can share that. We'll be more than happy to bring the same to you guys, because the audience is the what matters a lot. So, and yeah, that this was all about this wonderful opportunity. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you keep getting notifications, because we are uploading three important hiring on this particular YouTube channel. And yeah, thanks for watching. All the best with our applications, and I will see you in the next video.